Hello, beautiful people. It's Darnell, and I'm here to show you guys how to wear 3 different head wrap styles with my locks. So, as you can see, I have this scarf on my head, and what I did was I actually wrapped my locks, and I used really long bobby pins or bob pins and to help secure it and just kind of keep it in that circular shape. So right now my locks are all going around my head. It was relatively flat, and I just put this scarf on to protect my locks and to actually keep all of them like in place for the head wraps. So I'm using 3 different prints, and they're also 3 different sizes. So I'm going to show you guys the 3 different styles that I'll wear with these on. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you the first one. This one is like a mustard color. It's really pretty and it is huge. As you can see, it opens up again. This is a pretty big head wrap. And I believe I bought this one from the Wrap Life. So, and I'll just put the link down in the description so that you guys can get yourself some head wraps. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold some of the head wrap down. This is how much is left after. So it's still pretty big. So now I'm just going to bring this around my head. And I'm going to actually bring up the scarf that I'm wearing underneath so it's not so far down on my forehead. Okay. So I can feel that my scarf is actually, okay, no, it's covering everything. All right. So I'm gonna bring all the material towards the back, and I'm going to tie it in a knot. Okay. And this is what it looks like in the back. Okay. I hope you guys were able to see that, because my setup is not the best one right now, but I really wanted to capture these moments. Okay, so once it's tied nice and secure, I'm going to just twist the ends. And I'm going to crisscross them over each other and then secure the ends underneath. And there you go. This is look number 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn around so you can see the back. Now on to look number 2. So this is the wrap that I was telling you guys about. This is what it looked like. And now I'm just gonna take all the pins out. think I got all the pins. All right, so this next look, I will use this head wrap. Isn't this pretty? Okay, and this one isn't that big. It's a lot smaller than the previous one. This is it all the way open. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab one corner here and connect it to the opposite corner at the bottom to create a triangle shape. So here's the triangle, right? Then I'm going to put my hair up. Trying to take the longest locks that I have, and I'll just try to hide the hair tie because that color doesn't match anything. Okay, and now just bring the hair around. Normally I don't use pins for my buns, but for the sake of this video, I will. It doesn't have to be super perfect right now because I still have to get the head wrap on. Okay, this is just getting ridiculous. These locks are not trying to behave. Okay. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get for right now. So now I'm going to take that triangle and I'm going to take this flat edge and put that at the base of the back of my neck, and bring the other two corners up and over and into, not like this. And then I'm going to take this part, this flap here, and just fold it down. So it can either go either way. You can either just fold it down, or from the beginning, you can already have this part folded in, and then you don't have to worry about folding anything down. So I'll actually show you that. I'm just going to bring the end in like this. So now this is what I'm working with. This will be the inside part. So this will be actually going up against my head like that. And then bring the ends up and over. Tie. You can just adjust it and bring it down some if you need to. And tie this into another knot. You can actually just keep tying it until all of the end is used up, and then you can just tuck that little ends in. And there you go. Please don't mind how unruly my bun is acting. And then you can just, if you are a baby hair person, you can slick them down, perfect them, or whatever. Or you can just slide them in like how I did. So I'm gonna turn so you can see how it looks from the back. And from the top. There you go. And now on to look number 3. You can actually keep your hair up in this bun like this. This next wrap is not that big. It has some length to it, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just fold a little bit of it down. Wear it more like a headband. Actually, I'm gonna fold it twice. So I'm gonna fold it down twice to make it just this thick, and bring it up and over. Tie it into a knot. Tie it into a bow. Easily just fan the bow out some. And it can just be worn like this. Or you can bring this towards the middle if you're more of a middle bow person, and wear it this way. Or just tie it into a knot and then slide the ends underneath, nice and flat. And there you go. And if you're not a bun person, you can simply just take the pins out and ponytail down. I didn't realize how many pins I actually had. Okay, one more pin. And just adjust the hair and wear it out and wear it like a headband. So I gave you guys a few different looks with different head wraps and sizes and styles, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I thank you for being patient with me and of course joining me on this journey. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I thank you guys and I love you guys for always watching and supporting. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Mwah.